welcome to Momshi's Vlog. Okay, we're here in Fan City. We're trying to play trampoline. Okay, maximum 75 kilos weight ang pwede dito. So parents are also allowed to play here. Let's start our day here in Fan City. Okay. While the kids are playing, the parents are playing too. Okay. Where's Daddy now? Show you how to play
Ayan o, tamping ako.
trampoline.
Diyan pala pwede yung tumbling, no? Si Calix. Calix! Pupunta ka sa ibang ano. Oh. Bumigay yung tuhod. Punta ka sa ibang square.
Okay, let's jump together. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Marcus! Ooh. Yes, let's jump. Let's jump and jump and jump. Okay. Woo. Parents are allowed to play here too, so you can really enjoy it with your kids. Enjoy, enjoy, and enjoy. Enjoy, guys. Bella!
Trampoline! This is called trampoline.
Yeah, that's right. Jump as long as you want. Carefully.
The jumping siya dyan.
Okay, baby. Our baby will try it too. Okay, jump and jump and jump. Baby, careful. Baby. Okay, you can jump it there. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Ooh. Ooh, what happened, Daddy?
Ano yung tuhod ko? Gagawin tuhod ko. Owen ko yan.
Oo, ang gulo. Where is ate? Pakita ko sa inyo yung ano. Yes.
Uy, babusag.
Uy!
Ito, kami yan.
Oh my God. Dad is trying it. He's a kid now. Hey, go! Wow, slide! Okay. Okay. And let's see Marcus. Oh, Marcus and Daddy. They will try.
Let's go, Marcus!
Baby! 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 The and baby gonna try it too. Ready, go! Yung inner child mo lalabas dito sa Fan City. Slide! Yay! Okay, it's time for the guardians or the parents to play. Okay. You can also try it too. So, sulit yung stay nyo dito sa Fun City. Even parents can play here. This is Daddy.
Let's try other. Much better. Go! Ito na po yung bata. Actually, guardian yan.
Daddy? Okay, dito naman tayo sa zip line. Tatry ng kuya natin. Go, kuya! Wow!
Ay, mami, sasakay si baby dyan. Sasakay kayo dalawa. Oh, sabi dalawa kayo.
Okay, our ate will try it too. Okay, go! Yay! Very good, ate! Okay, our Marcus will try it too. Just cross your leg. Cross your leg. Cross your leg. Yan, cross your legs. Yan. Ready, go! Yay! Very good.
Okay.
Good job. Okay. Okay.
Oh, baby.
Okay, guys. Daddy and baby. We're gonna try it too. Okay, go. Hello, baby.
Doon sa dulo, sa taas dapat, para may force. Okay, ito na po si Miley Cyrus. Ito po ang 2026 Wrecking Ball version.
Okay, you can try as parents too. You can join your kids here at Fun City Zipline. Wow, big Lego!
Wait, I want to go here. Make a big. And then Lego. And then make it Lego. But there's many. Wow! Lego. So big, what you gonna do? Wait, I'm going to ask it. I'm going to hold. Somebody's coming! I'm scared!
I'm laughing!
Stop building a base! Hey guys, this is so cool! I'm building a base, Kuya! Yeah? This is a big base! And my
May
dad
slide
and
dun.
Lego. And my ball goes. Make our one boss a Lego base.
What are you going to do, ate?
Building a base! So
Oh,
guys, you want to go to
that's nice.
Fun City? So let's go! Now, I want to like this video.
Do you like it here?
Like,
Do you like it here?
yes! This is too fun! I like to build some Legos.
I thought you love Oxford.
I don't like Tom
Mas worth it yung
Later, I built the base.
Ah!
Fun City. 600 per head for 3 hours.
Come on.
Nasa Fun City kami ngayon.
Ate, pumpkin!
Baby!
It's so cool.
Baby!
Baby,
There are Legos here. Baby. Baby, ito.
wala, hindi ko pa ba?
Uy, where are you going?
Yeah.
I just giant ball. I win!
Hey! Baby, dito baby. Ayun, baby, ayun ball, oh. Ayun, balls. Ayun, oh, balls. Ito. Ito, baby, oh, dito. Ito, balls, oh. Ayun, oh, ball. Where are you going? Sobrang aga namin dito.
Something else.
So,
I heard.
just 10 a.m. and kami pa lang ang tao dito. Wala pa masyadong bata. Super aga namin para hindi crowded. Maganda dito kasi ang dami nilang laruan. Maraming activities at makikita mo sa paligid. Worth it siya. 600 pesos for 3 hours. 600 pesos each.
Nakita mo na din sila Bella. Baby, come on, there. Here. Come on, Calamari, come on. Come here. Dito.
Okay, let's go here. Meron din sila dito inflatable. Okay. So, you just need to go like in a maze. So, you should try it here inside. And then, just go here. And then, here. And then, try to go here, and then, and then, and then, and then. Okay. And then
Nanay, look,
Go
big airport,
here.
look, big rock.
it's like a maze inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, look, go tayo here.
Okay. So it's more of exciting activities here inside Van City. And then you just need to go on a slide. And let's go back.
Yan, Mami, water and play on.
Okay.
The plant. Go up here.
What's in here?
Go up there.
Okay. And then slide again. Ooh.
And go faster.
And then okay. And then it's Marcus' birthday. Alright. Yeah.
Oh!
Let's follow my son. He's going inside. Let's see what it takes to go here. Where are you, Marcus? Okay, go on slide. That's not the slide. Marcus, careful. Happy birthday, Marcus. Happy 6th birthday, Marcus. We love you, Marcus. Are you enjoying it here? Okay, okay, okay. Let's follow him. He's very fast. Okay. Activities dito. Okay. Makakapaglaro ang mga bata at talagang mag-e-enjoy sila sa loob ng 3 hours. Ang mga games na dito sa loob. It's a sand. Excavator. 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 Bella! May sand! Bella! Sand! Si Marcus! 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 May sand! That's what you want, right? Marcus? Sand? Excavator? That's excavator. 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 That's excavator. Excavator. Do you like it here? Do you like it here, huh?
Yes. No.
What, baby? Okay, let's continue. So, they are all enjoying here at Fun City. So, it seems it's very fun and cool here. So, it's worth it. 600 only per head. Hello. Yes.
I like to take this big mountain.
What can you say? What can you say here? Marcus, are you enjoying here? Are you enjoying it here, Marcus?
Wait, where is the
Okay,
where is the shovel?
all playing.
Shovel?
So it's very fun here in Fun City. Okay.
Guys, we have Cobra.
We're here in Ayala Malls.
It's the picture of his arm. Can you help me?
So worth it yung 600 per head.
Put it there.
Mas maraming activities and maraming toys dito. Baby, do you want it here, baby?
Here comes the big one! Happy Dad! That is full, full, Freddy! Full! What's in here? Oh.
Sabi ko na si picture mo sa excavator mamaya. Hey, let's go.
Let's go, baby! Excavator, baby.
Wala. Where's the water? Where's the beach?
Baby. 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 Look at mommy, baby. So, hindi nila ako pinapansin ngayon dahil busy-busy sila sa paglalaro. That's what you want. Trucks, cars, and sands. you doing, Marcus? What are you doing?
Let me help you guys. Okay. I need to sit down because my shirt is so
Baby. Baby.
wait, Dad, do we have ice cream?
Baby.
Put them over there. Gonna go over there.
You really love cars.
It's a baker. I get something over here. Looks like it's good now. Okay,
Baby. 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 What's that, baby?
Mom, look! I'm helping this one boy. Wait. Michael, we need to make a coffee. I need to...
Okay, baby. What are you going to do? Oh, put some sand to the crack. You should put here. Put it here. Yan. So there they go. There they go. There they go. There they go. They are playing. They're playing together. Marcus and baby. So it's a boy thing. They want trucks and cars. So baby is putting a sand into the truck. Oh, someone borrows it. Baby, oh. Ito, oh, baby. Put it there, oh. Put it there, oh. Let's go na, let's go. Let's go. Let's go na. Let's go. Oh, yo.
Let's go na.
No daw, no. happened to you? Baby, oh. Oh. Marcos, ito, oh. Sandok. Ito, kuya, sandok.
Nagawa ko kasi.
Ito? Baby, ito, oh. Oh, baby, oh. Let's go na, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, ayaw na umalis ng baby ko. So, it's more fun here in Fun City. Let's go, baby. He doesn't want to go. He wants it here. He wants it here. Oh, baby. So, kompleto na talaga dito sa Fun City. All-in-one na. Kaya talagang mag-e-enjoy ang mga bata. May mga sand, may mga rides, at marami pang iba. Okay, dito tayong guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Fun City and solo natin yung sand area. Okay. So, nag-e-enjoy yung mga boys natin. So, kumpleto na talaga dito sa Fun City. mga rides. Ayan. And then, ayan, makakapag-enjoy ang mga bata. Solo natin ang sand area. With my baby bunso and my kuya. And after nito, pwede kayong gumala dito sa Ayala. My two boys are enjoying. Okay. So it's like you're in a beach because they can play sand. So there are rides here, and you can also play basketball. You can also go on a zip line, trampoline, and there are lots of activities here that you can do in Fun City. So solo lang kami dito. So ayan, solo fly tayo sa sand area. And also after nito, pwede kayong gumala sa Ayala Mall. Okay. Okay, meron din silang mga kitchen. Okay, it's their kitchen. And meron silang mga hospital. Okay. And Lego house. And NBA PS4. Okay, let's go guys. Let's just look at this. Trampoline. This is a trampoline. And also there are zip line here. Okay, may mga zip lines, shooting hoops, and basketball, and toilet this way. So very cool here, very fun here. Let's look around. Let's try to look around, guys. So there are sorry, video. Let's try this video. Okay. Okay, let's look for whatever. Okay, 8251. 8251 to serve. Then stop na tayo. 8251. Okay, let's try 8251.
We will sing I Know by Yasmin Kirby. I don't need to own a fancy car, driving you around the city. A simple home is enough for me. Don't need much, only your attention. A hand to hold to make me feel that I am not alone. I know with you my life is worth living. I know with you my life is gonna be just fine. I know with you each day begins with a smile. Inside of me.
Okay, dito pa po yan kumanta.
Inside of me. Inside of me. Inside of me.
Okay, dito po kami ngayon. We will cook meat. We will cook food. Okay. Ito na po, making ito na po ang making ni Heisenberg. Ito na si Heisenberg. The making of Heisenberg. Hey! Oh, wow, carrots. That's healthy living.
Hello, baby. Baby, what are you going to cook, baby? 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 Okay, our chef is cooking. He doesn't want to tell what he's going to cook. Baby, can you tell us what are you going to cook, baby? What's that, baby? Baby. Baby, it's not supposed to be there. It's an oven. Baby. Baby. What are you going to cook? Baby, please tell us, baby. He seems like so busy, very busy. Seems like very busy. Baby. It's a balloon. Okay, let's just wait for our chef to play first before he cooks our lunch. Now he's holding a banana and a balloon. What are you going to do, chef? Okay, our baby chef. Okay, baby. Let's wait for him to wash the banana.
Favorite ko talaga ito. Marcos, oh!
And Marcus is cooking. And our daddy is singing.
Into my life, everything has changed.
Paint my love,
Paint my love,
you should paint my love. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand words. Baby, you should paint my love. Okay, let's go back to our chef. Baby chef. Are you done cooking, baby? Baby?
Wait, did you put it in the drawer, baby?
Okay. I think he's not yet decided what he's going to do. Oh, he wants. Look at that. A corn.
You're gonna
And
cook?
more
Okay. You're cooking carrot?
Smart.
Okay, a carrot ba?
Kuya.
How much for this one? 10? Oh, one. Okay, it's cheap. What do you say to ate after paying you?
Yeah. Okay. And
What's that?
those are their
How about
cousins.
this, Marcos? What's this? What's this, Marcos? It's a pasta.
Okay, baby.
What's this?
What's for lunch, baby?
It's not apple. It's not apple, baby. It's sayote. Yes. How about this one? Sayo. This apple. We're going. Still here?
Our chef seems very busy. Our chef seems very busy. He's washing the fruits now. The banana and the apple. He's preparing something for lunch. And it's a surprise. It's a fries. He's cooking the fries now.
Marcos. Ano ko yung hinahanap na ni ano? Marcos. Hawak ka ni ano doon? Yung batang
I told you he's preparing something. Something delicious. But we don't know. This is a secret recipe. The baby chef only knows it. He's washing his hands now. I think it's already done. Okay, you can also try mountain hiking. Okay. So Daddy's frying it here. And then going down now. I think he should go here instead.
Baby! Baby, oh! Baby! Please, no, baby! Baby!
Daddy and baby wants to try it too. Daddy and baby want to try it too. Go, Bella. Go, ate. Go, Marcus. Slide, Marcus. Marcus! Oh? Oh, dancing while sliding. Oh! Yes! Yes! Ang galing! Baby! Baby! Baby!
Don't you think it's low?
May swing din sila dito. So kids will really enjoy.
Mommy, can you stop it?
Okay.
Last one.
Ready, go.
Yeah! It's record!
Dito tayo sa labas.
Thank you for watching.
Sa ibang, may pala dyan, sa tatawid.